Welcome to the Python tutorial lecture 15 break and continue function in Python. In previous lecture we saw that while loop function and how to use a while loop function in Python. In this lecture you will learn to use break and continue statement to alter the flow of a loop. First of all, let's understand what is a break statement in Python. The break statement terminates the loop containing it, means it will control the flow of the program and the statement immediately after the body of the loop. And if the break statement is inside a nested loop, means loop inside another loop, the break will terminate the innermost loop, not the outermost loop. Now if I go for that example, let's take an example for that break statement. For the example here I go for that example for well in this I have passed the string I am the Jack Sparrow, and after that if I give the condition for the if the value is equal to p, that particular loop will be a break and print the particular value after every for loop. And if the when the p comes for the particular string, it will go to that the end. So if I run this program, so what will it will print, it will start from that string I which I pass in the particular value. It will print I, then again it will go for that loop, it will again go for the space, then a m, it will print one by one. When the p will comes in particular value, the loop will be a stop and it will go to the outer loop. Here the outer loop, it is the end, so it will not print that particular the last part of that particular statement. The same way if we go for that continuous statement, so what is a continuous statement in Python? The continuous statement is used to skip the rest of the code inside a loop for currently iteration. So loop does not terminate, but it continuously go on with the next iteration, means the output. If I use the same program and use the continue function, here if I go for that continue function instead of break function, here I have to simply write down continue. So in that, how it will be a go first of all, when we use the break system, it will print only up to that s, it will not print this particular portion after the p. If I use the continuous function instead of break and run this program, it will print from here, from starting from I, the particular string, and it will not print the particular p value. If that condition is satisfied, then again it will go for the continue. Here the p is not printed only, otherwise everything is printed using the continuous function. That's the difference between break and continue. In the break, it will, here if I use the break statement, it will print up to that s value, and but if I use the continuous statement, it will not print the p, otherwise all the particular string is printed from I to w and not printed only p inside that continuous statement. That's all for the today's lecture in that break and continue system. In the next lecture we will discuss about the function in Python. Thank you.